Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you? This is Rohan and I am making for you this mental maths practice 1 worksheets video to just help you out how to do mental maths in short time. Actually, mental math means quickly solving the questions in your mind or on the rough paper. They are very short answers. You don't need to show the full method, but you should know the method how to do it in your mind. Even if you are able to solve it on your on the sheet, it's valid. It's very good if you show your workings over here or end of the paper or on any extra worksheet. So let us start. We have a lesson with the name of fractions. As I taught you before that what fractions means, I will just give an idea. Fractions means dividing one whole portion into half, 1/4, 1/6, 1/8. Means you have to divide it into various parts. This procedure or this way of division of one whole item is called fractions or fractions. Okay, now how to calculate that what this fraction is? What is the fraction of this whole part? For thus we will count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 pieces of this circle, or you can say it looks like a pizza. Okay, there are 8. This is one pizza, but it have 8 pieces. Okay, now for example, you have 8 friends who will go to the pizza corner to eat them. They have eaten only one part, or one of your friend has eaten the piece. The fraction will be 1/8. If the second piece is eaten, it's called 2/8. Same like this, keep on doing. 3/8, 4/8. 8 will be remaining the same because the total number of division is 8 in this pizza or this shape. But the people who are eating its portions, we just keep mentioning them up. This place is called numerator, and the down part is called denominator. The easiest way to keep in your mind what is numerator and how we know which is denominator. D stands for down, so the number which is down is always denominator. Obviously, when you know about one, the other is very easy for you to find out. So like this, we found the fraction parts of the whole pizza. This is called a whole number or a whole value. Whatever the number they will give you, it's the whole value. If we don't eat any of this part, it's a whole number. But when we start shading, coloring, eating, using one of them, the fraction starts showing like this: 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. So this is how we make simple fractions. Now the question over here is in fraction 9/17. 17 is a space. Isn't it numerator or is it denominator? Obviously, I told you the number which is down is denominator. So they are asking about the value or the name of 17, which is down, which is denominator. So the answer for 1 is denominator. Number 2. 2 halves make 1. Okay, how to do this? Quickly, you will make 1/2. Mostly the circle is very easy and accurate to divide the fractions. This is 1/2 and this is another half. So this makes a whole part, which I told you before also. So the answer for this number 2 is a whole number or a whole, but whole is enough. Tina ate 1/4 of the cake. What fraction of the cake is left? It's a little tricky question. Let's do it in a very, very easy way. So, Tina ate 1/4 part of cake. And they are asking what is left. Left is question mark. Now keep in your mind, this is your cake. And keep this diagram in the mark. This is a cake in your mind, Make it into 4. Okay, this is a cake which is in the 4 parts. Tina has eaten one of the part. 1/4. 1/4, shade it and just check how many left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when 1 is shaded and eaten or taken away, 3 are left. So what is the left part? That is 3/4. Diagrams will always help you solving your fractions. In the corner, it's better to do the diagram. It doesn't take a lots of time. So the left part is 3/4. How to check that we are correct? 3 plus 1 becomes 4. So 4/4 becomes a whole part of the cake. Okay. Question number 4. Write equivalent fraction of 4/6. Okay. First of all, I will tell you what is equivalent value. What does the word equivalent means? It comes from equal. Equal is like same. The two numbers, the two values, when they are same or they are in the same weight or they are taking the values in the same order. To keep in your mind, to tally or to find out the equivalent value, we should know the even numbers. They are 2, double of 2 is 4, double of 4 is 6. If you go with the twists, if you double them, then it's like 2, 4, 6. But if you are doubling the number, then the value will increase. Like if 2 double 4, 4 double 4 is 8. That's another thing. That's also correct order. But even numbers are better. Okay. For the numerator also you have to do the same. For denominator also you have to do the same. If it's 5, the denominator will be double into 10. The denominator will be double into 20s or carry on. Okay. So the value was equivalent of 4/6. The other part which we are doing equal should be same balance. If it's 4, the other part should be 8. If it's 6, double the value of 6, it becomes 12. So now this is equal. If 8 and 12 comes, double 8, it becomes 16. And 12 and 12 becomes 24. See the balance. It is a proper balance. The numbers are coming in the same equivalent value. If you write here 5 and you write here 7, it will never be equal to this value. Even if you write here 5 and here 7, it will not be equal to this number. I hope you understand the equivalent meaning of equivalent. Okay, let's go for the question number 5. 9/15 is a dash. They will give you an option saying proper or improper value or fraction. First of all, I will tell you what is proper fraction. Proper fraction means the number which is written in a correct order. What is the correct order of the proper fraction? That our numerator and denominator's values should be in the proper order. Like numerator should always be small number, and denominator should always be big number. So while finding here 9/15, it means the denominator is bigger than. Okay, we are getting to question number 6, and it says a dash is a shape having 3 sides. Shape having 3 sides. Obviously, let's draw a shape. It has 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3, and this shape is called a triangle. This is solved, so it's done. And 3 sides and 3 vertex. Okay, these are sides 1, 2, 3, and these are vertex, the crossing points. So obviously it has 3 sides and 3 vertex. Question number 7 says 2/6 plus 3/6 is equal to. Okay, this is a fraction value, but you will do it same like addition. Keep in your mind, while doing fractions, addition is only done on numerators. We have to not change or add the value of denominators. So denominators will be same and we will add just numerators. So that is 2 plus 3/6 is equal to 2 plus 3, obviously 5, and 6/6 is same like it's written same. So the value answer is 5/6. Question number 8. 9/15 minus 1/15. It is the same method. The difference is that we are subtracting the value over here. 9/15 minus 1/15. From 9 we will take 1 away. So it will become 8 and 15 will be same. It's very easy. Okay, let's go for question number 9. Insert the correct symbol, plus or minus. The value is 2/6. You have to add the operation. This is called operations. Plus, minus, multiplication, division sign, percentage. These all are called actually operation, number operations. We are doing now number operations. 1/6. Okay. 1/6 is equal to, they have given us the answer. So, how to get that, what we get 3 after doing this? Obviously, 2 plus 1, 3 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3/6. It was very easy. It is solved very easily. Okay. The next question is, question number 10 says, circle the bigger fraction. Obviously, it's very easy. Which one is bigger? The value of denominator is same, so we have to just check the value of numerator. 3 is big, just circle it. It was very simple. Now this is like a problem. Ali ate 3/4 of an apple. What fraction of an apple is left? It is the same method which we did about the cake. Let's solve it. 3/4 is eaten and how much is left? Okay, this is an apple. Make apple in your mind. Okay. Make 4 portions of an apple, from which 1, 2, 3 and 4 portions. And how many are eaten? 3 are eaten. So what is left? 1/4. This is the answer. It's very easy to tally it as a whole. It's 3 plus 1 becomes 4. I hope you understood. Question number 12. 4 out of 5 eggs are broken. What fraction of eggs are broken? What fraction of eggs are unbroken? Let us solve this. 4 out of 5 eggs are broken. So obviously we know that 4 of them are broken. They are gone. So let's make 5 eggs. Okay, this is 5, this is denominator in our mind. This is denominator, and 4 eggs are broken. 1, 2, 3, 4 are broken. How many left? 1 is left. 1 is left. So the broken are obviously 4 eggs are broken. So the broken one is 4 out of 5, and unbroken is 1 over 5, which is left, which was this egg. Question number 13 is divide the following shape into 1/3 and color 1/3 of it. Okay, divide the following shape into 1/3 and color 1/3 of it. Obviously, maybe you will get this shape, like this shape, or maybe you have to draw it by your own. So when 3, the denominator itself says there should be one whole diagram with 3 divided portions, and only you have to color the one. So this is the whole number, which is 1, 2 and 3, and this is the denominator, and you have to color the 1 over 3 part. So this is the simplest way to write the fraction. Question number 14. Dash days makes a month. Obviously you should know and you should learn by heart the calendar. So how many days does make one month? 31 days make a month. In a month there are dash weeks. This is also you have to learn, that is 52 weeks. Write an equivalent fraction of 2 over 4. As I taught you before, equivalent fraction should be balanced to the value given. It should be double, like the double of, or you can multiply that. It depends on you. You should multiply, put the sign of multiply or nothing, or you can put the comma. It's like 2, 4. 4 will be double into 8. This is a balanced value of 2 over 4, equivalent value. You can even put like this also. Next question is in a month 3. In a month there are dash weeks. Oh, sorry, this is done. Write an example of proper fraction. As I taught you, the proper fraction means the numerator and denominator's value. Numerator is always small, which can be 3 or any number, and denominator should be bigger than numerator. So it can be 6, it can be 8, it can be 10, any number which you want to write. It has no particular number. Question number 18 says write an example of improper fraction. As I taught you, the proper fraction is the numerator is small and denominator is big. So in improper fraction, you will write denominator is big and numerator is big and denominator is small. So this becomes improper fraction. Means it is actually the wrong method of writing the fractions. Question number 19 is Ali shares 6 candies equally among 3 of his friends. Let us do without diagram. We cannot solve this question. Now there are how many candies? There are 6 candies. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So Ali has how many? 6 candies. And he have to equally give it to 3 friends. Equal means half. Okay, equal means half. How many friends does Ali have? 3 friends. 1, you will make 1, 2, 3 friends. These are 3 friends. Now 6, 1 to 1 friend, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many came in one box? 2. So how many did he give to one friend? 2. 2 over 6. Or you can say 2 candies are equally distributed to 3 friends. Question number 20. Draw a kite. It's the easiest thing. Happy ending. Worksheet number 1 has been completed. This is how I think we can draw a kite. And I hope you understood this worksheet very well. If there is any question, please let me know. Goodbye. Good night.